Want to replace the motor of your extractor hood? With these steps, you'll have it fixed in no time. What do you need? A socket spanner, a screwdriver, and a new motor. Step 1. Remove the grease filters. To access the motor, you first need to remove the grease filters. Unclip them, lower them, and take them out of the extractor hood. Step 2. Remove the old motor. Disconnect the cable first. The motor housing is often attached to the top and back of the extractor hood. Loosen the screws. Then dismantle the housing and remove the impeller with a socket spanner. Loosen the screws of the motor and take it out. Step 3. Fit the new motor. Fix the new motor in place of the old one and retighten the screws. Place the impeller back in place and secure it with a socket spanner. Replace the housing and make sure the cable exits the housing correctly. Screw everything down firmly and reconnect the cables. Step 4. Replace the grease filters. Replace the grease filters and snap them in place. You have replaced the motor and the extractor hood is ready to use again.